Hi everyone, in our new Barista kit we have a frothing jug with a thermometer which gives you easy use here. You can see exactly when it's perfect and when it's done. We've also got our spring-loaded self-leveling tamper and our knock box. Knock box will hold at least 25 cakes of coffee, and that is your knock box. A really great new product we have. It's our Dualit adjustable spring-loaded tamper. And what we need to do is, as I say, it's a nice comfortable fit, and we're just going to press down, try and hold it for around 20 to 30 seconds, and that gives you that even tamp. And what you must remember to do is to turn slightly when you're going to release. Wipe off any excess coffee around the side, and that gives you that perfect seal when you place your basket in the brew head. And look at that, you can see just how smooth and level that is. I'm just going to put this in. We're ready to go. And let's just turn that on. Now what tampers tend to do is if you don't tamp evenly, you tamp down on one side, you'll find the water runs down on one side, so you're losing a lot of coffee flavour. By tamping, using a tamper like this, it's completely level, so you get that flat surface and that perfect extraction every single time. Look at that, perfection in a cup. Please visit our website for more of our products. Don't forget to hashtag Better with Dualit and post some of your photos up for us. Thank you.